today I'm going to show you my output in LED sequencer using 12 LEDs, and this is Pamaus, and here's my output. We have the components. Let's put the LED on the breadboard. So we need to have 12 LEDs. So 1, 2, and 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then last 12. So let's put the, after this, let's put the resistor in the anode part of the LED, or which is the positive one. So 1, and also we have to, and we also need 12 resistor. And then 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, and last 12. And after this, let's connect the resistor to the ground. Okay, let's adjust it, and then okay. Okay, and the last one. And then let's change it into color black, or you can change it whatever color you like. So for me, I have to change it for black. And yes. And then the last one. So we're done connecting on the breadboard, so now let's connect it to the Arduino. But first let's connect it to the ground. And wait, I have to adjust it first. Okay, move this one, and yes. So let's connect it to the ground. So the G and D here in the Arduino means ground. So you have to connect it there. Yes, and then for the first LED, connect it to the first on the Arduino. Okay, my mistake. I guess I have to do it again. Sorry. So let's connect it to the first. And then the second LED to second. The third to third. Then the fourth to fourth. Okay, so we're done to the 8th LED. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, connect it to the 12. And let's change the color into red. Let's change it to red color. And you can change the color whatever you want, but as for me, I like it red. And for the ground, I want it color black. So I have to change it to black. So after everything is connected, let's change this to text in order to run or to light the LED. So let's change this 13 to 1. And then let's put comment as pin 1 is defined as output. So let's copy paste this for the other output because we have 12 LEDs, so we have 12 output. Then copy paste it and then yeah, paste. Let's and change this into 2. Change it to 3. Then 4. Then 5. 6. Then 7. Then 8. 9. Ten, 11, and then 12. Then after the void setup, let's go to the void loop. So, So let's change this to 1. And then let's put comment as output 1 is on. And then change delay to 500. And then put comment here as output 1 is off. Then delete this one. So let's check it first if it works. And click the start stimulation. Then as you can see, the LED lights up. So let's continue doing it together with the for the other output. So let's copy paste it, and then yeah. So we're going to have 12 because we have 12 output. Okay, my mistake here. I didn't see it. So let's change it to 1, and then this one, let's change it to 2, then 2. Together with the other one, let's change it to 3 down to 12. So here, 3, then change it to 3. So we're done. But first, let's check everything if it is good or fine before we're going to run it again. guess everything is good, so let's see the result. So you can see the LED light alternately. So from the first LED to second, to third, to fourth, to fifth, to sixth, to seventh, to eighth, to nine, to 10, to 11, and then 12.